Nestled in the heart of the Andes Mountains, Bogotá stands tall at 2,640 meters, making it one of the highest capital cities in the world. This vibrant city is a melting pot of cultures from every corner of Colombia and beyond. Imagine wandering through the cobbled streets of La Candelaria, where history whispers from every corner. Calle del Embudo, with its brightly colored buildings and street art, leads you to the historic Plaza del Chorro de Quevedo. Bogotá's nightlife thrives in Zona Rosa, where upscale restaurants and craft beer pubs await. The city is a haven for expats and ESL teachers, with events like Gringo Tuesday and Dame 2 Lengua fostering a sense of community. Our TEFL course in Bogotá can have you teaching in just 4 short weeks, opening doors to a rewarding career. You'll delve into teaching methodologies, classroom management, English grammar, and lesson planning. The Botero Museum, Colón Theater, and Gold Museum are must-visit attractions in La Candelaria. Our TEFL course dates span from April to December, offering flexibility to fit your schedule. Teaching practice involves enthusiastic Colombian students, passionate about learning English. The TEFL job market in Bogotá is thriving, with ample opportunities for new teachers. Join us in Bogotá and embark on an unforgettable journey, shaping futures and creating lasting memories.